demonstrating a Cotuplas tabletop sealer using a simple plastic tube. It starts by opening the unit. It's spring loaded, so you have to hold it open. Let your tube come in there, then pinch closed. And now you're in the sealing position. And you want to bring down your, we've preset this timer for about 3 seconds. An alarm will go off to tell the operator. And you want to seal it. This closes the serrated jaws and makes the imprint on the molten plastic. Let it set for a minute. Normally we'd be running cool water through these jaws. We're going to show you there. We've got a pretty decent seal. Still have to work with getting the correct time. There is also a coating station right here in the center. And that's what you do as part of the process. So you open, load, after it seals, click and close with the jaws, which would normally have cooling water through them. And there you go. It's operating on 220 single phase voltage. Great little sealer for tabletop use and samples in your lab.
Cotuplas S4. Have a good day.